Cyndy, is it?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you only making a photo.
After I picked up my key class pouch from Louis Vuitton, I got the train and went to Bicester Village. I haven't been for a while, and the train journey is about an hour, and it's from London Marylebone Street. It was a very smooth ride, and the train wasn't very busy because it was a Monday. You can see there's loads of bushy greens, and from the station to the village, and that's the car park. And cross over this bridge, you'll be in the village. So this is one end of the beginning of the village. So you can see the shops around here. It wasn't raining in London, but when I arrived here it started to rain, but it wasn't too heavy. But you can see it's not very busy. This is the least busy day that I came to Bicester Village, because for a while it put me really off. Every time I came to Bicester Village, I would say I would go once a year, and it is always packed with people. But this time you can see the shops are very, very quiet, which was good. It gives plenty of time and space for browsing. They have got a lot of coffee shops in the middle, like the laundry, that's new. That's the DKNY on the right hand side. And that's Jimmy Choo. They have loads of products. But I got told off by the security guy. He said no filming is allowed. So I just walked out after that. This is the security guy told me off, and then so I went for a coffee in this little courtyard. I love this area, it's so quiet, and so I just sat there and enjoyed my coffee with my new naked bag. I love my naked bag. It's such a bargain, $55.95. It's such a well-made, sweet bag. You can see that's where I got my coffee from. The guy is so friendly. And then afterwards I went to Fendi. They have loads of winter clothing and shoes and boots. And they have loads of loafers. You can see this loafer is now £455. I have it in the black. Loads of boots. You can see loads of coats. This little bucket bag from so many seasons ago. With such a happy colour. Yellow is one of the key colours of this season. And that's Kate Spade. There's another coffee shop. Christian Louboutin. I didn't go in there because I don't have anything that I want from there, because I haven't bought any red soles for like so many years. Oh, that's the concierge booth. On the left is Celine. They have a few bags and some clothes, but I didn't really go in there. There's Michael Kors on the left. This is such a big shop, I didn't go in. And then that is Pret, I think. Is it Pret? No, it's not Pret. On the right hand side. I think it's Starbucks maybe, I don't know. Oh, E2. They share this eating area, which is quite nice. And that's the polo shop. Lacoste. Amy. That's Moncler. And I went into Mulberry. I love Mulberry. It's one of those legend, you know, like legacy legacy brands, that proper English, made in Britain, well made leather handbags. I had a few Mulberry bags, but I sold them all. The last one, it was the Lily, and I sold it on eBay 2 years ago. Some of the new bags are really, really beautiful. I mean, the prices are so good in the outlet store. You can see they have so many different models, and the girls in there, one of the girls I was chatting to, she was so friendly and lovely, and she said, oh, I did ask her, I said, can I film? She said, of course darling, you can. So yeah, you can see this is the newer collection. I have so many bags, the larger ones. Oh, actually I still have one Mulberry bag that looks like the Kafuni bag. I have a travel massive hold-all that I bought from years ago. It's a dark red colour. Yeah, I quite like this one. This is like the Bayswater smaller version. I mean, I remember the Bayswater, the original Bayswater, that the size was like £275. My finance director used to have one. This was like 20 years ago. At £275, and now it's like £1,275. Yeah, you can see the one I picked up. I went to see how it looks on me in the mirror. I mean, it looks really cute. Price is really good. It goes really well with my outfit that I wore that day. I was wearing my Vietnam brown coat just to try to make the most of it before days getting warmer. After that, I went to Laurent, and this bag is really cute, full of diamond case. They have loads of, again, bags and clothes, a few pair of sunglasses. There's nothing caught my eye, so I went out. I didn't go into Match, that's how you pronounce it. Just walked past it. That is Bowman. They're always very bold and sexy clothes. I have a white t-shirt, but I didn't buy anything. And then afterwards I went to Longchamp. They have so many colourful bags. They look so pretty. And the yellow one caught my eye again. It's such a lovely bucket bag. So it's just over £300. So many different shapes. Longchamp has been doing quite well. They have loads of leather bags these days as well. So it's really good. Afterwards, I was passing Gucci. Gucci have so many things in their window shop display. And then I went in, I switched off filming because it's not allowed, so this is just photos I took. You can see the bags area under that bag. I don't want to buy any monogrammed bags anymore, and there's loads of clothes still with the GG, but the prices are really good. I took a few to the dressing room to try on, and this is like a white jacket. It's like a Berkeley or tweed jacket. Like, the price is really good, and but the shape and the fit wasn't that great. And this is a really classy white tweed jacket, black and white, and in a similar price. Like, this is only like this green one looks really nice. This green one really caught my eyes. I thought, let's get something colourful, but the fit was really rubbish, so I didn't get it. I mean, it was a good price. It was about £800, I think. It's about £750 or something like that. Yeah, £750. And yeah, and this is the shoes section. And that's the same sling bag that I've got. The black one I always wear. Now it's half price in there, £330. And then I went to Loro Piana afterwards. Just had a browse. Everything's still like over £2,000 in there. I was thinking, I'm not going to be mad, but no, I can't afford it. And then afterwards I went to Burberry because I thought they might have some really lovely MAC, and that one with detachable fur collar, and the price is just so good. And this is my favorite. The fabric is really, really lovely, and but I think this is like something like £800, and then they give you another 40% off, so it's such a reasonable price. So I tried it on. It looks really nice on me, but I prefer a more relaxed, oversized look. And then afterwards I went into Tod's. Here's the bag, and it's like just over £1,000. I think 30% off. I love this little wicker or the raffia bag. This Hogan is Tod's sister brand. They have lots of shoes. This the slippers and loafers, and I love these two pairs of neutral coloured ones, and this pair of trainers is really nice. It's almost like the Miu Miu. And afterwards I went to Max Mara to have a look at some jackets. They had some tweed jackets, like a coffee, like latte coloured jackets, and this is like a leather jackets. They look nice on the hanger. I tried them on, but they're not very flattering. The prices were so good, like a few £100 you get a proper well-made Max Mara weekend even leather jacket. But it just, I don't know, it just, leather jacket make me look very big at the top half. I'm always conscious with my top half, and but yeah, none of this looked really flattering on me. And the shop's assistant was really, really helpful. She fetched me different sizes, but I just didn't really like any of them. Oh, this is just like a few bags that I missed from Tod's. And afterwards I went to Prada and Miu Miu, because they are from the same group. These little knitted bags and raffia bags from Miu Miu and Prada, they're really cute. And this little bag not only like £990, still I think it's quite overpriced. They have loads of shoes, but the sizes, I love this pair, but they have no size, half price. They have some slides. Yeah, 370. There's some flip-flops, velvet, that's 340, half price. These are the Prada bags, grouped in different colours. And afterwards I went to Monolo Blahnik, and I have the pink slipper. I have the polka dot one, yeah, the same blue colour on the right hand side. They have loads of shoes. I think diamond-tailed shoes, like embellished shoes, just not in fashion anymore, unless it's for the evening. I think they're too dressy for the day. People tend to get trainers these days. So I suppose that explains it, why that they have loads not sold. And then I went to Loewe, my favourite shop, or one of my favourite shops. They have loads of ready-to-wear there, and they have some raffia bags and shoes and jeans. You know, this one caught my eye. It was 1,100, now it's 600. And then went into Loewe quickly, had a look at their bags, and this little bag, it's about £1,200, and then you can take like another 20% off. And the shop assistant even gave me her card. And this is Bottega Veneta. They have loads of shoes, not that many bags, and the bags are not that really great, but these two look quite pretty. And this one is a suede. They have loads of jewellery in there. You can see loads. Look at the sandals and slides. And the Rupert Sanderson, I used to love their shoes. I still have a couple of pairs, but just haven't bought anything from them for many years. This is the window display of Versace and Aquazzura. Their shoes are just so party shoes. I think they are the hardest at the moment, like the flock things. Sandals look pretty, I mean £250, quite well made. And then afterwards I went to Dior. It was deserted in there, and then this wicker bag is really beautiful. There are loads of jewellery there, and the necklace on the right hand side of the gold one. I almost got them years ago, but I didn't. You can see there's loads of bags. This little white bag is now 1,170. They have a neat homeware section now. Loads of crockery, tables, tableware, house stuff. And there's a tray, looks very beautiful. There's some shoes there and ready to wear. And then I tried on the Mac. It was just like too long, so I didn't get it. Just now it's getting dark. Gucci's there and Le Creuset. Look at all these colourful pots, I love them. This is laundry area. So I'm just going back towards the station, walking past Gani. I went in. You can see there's no one in there. That's a whole rack of current season stuff. I tried on the puff sleeve bold, like little blouse and shirt, and but I didn't get it because it's still the original price. So after that I went heading back to the station. By then it's already really dark. It's 7 o'clock PM, and so the fairy lights are all on. It looks very Christmassy and dreamy. You can see everywhere is well lit, and they have loads of security cameras around. This is the same way I came. You can see it's very bright. No need to worry if you're going there on your own in the evening. You can see the pathways are all well lit. So I had a really great day and felt really happy and quite relaxing, because I love to shop when it's less busy, but that's why I do not like Christmas shopping or Christmas sales. But yeah, I had a really enjoyable day. So now I can just go back to the station and get on the train, sit and back and relax for an hour and before I get home. So that's why I don't like to drive to Bicester Village, because after days shopping I just get really tired. But sitting on the train is nice and relaxing. So this is my day shopping at Bicester Village. I hope you enjoyed my journey with me, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.